Oh dear. We should remember to bring this one too, in case we gotta dig like pointy. Yeah. Do pointy digging, right? Yeah. And we don't have to grab the scroll too. One of the dump truck, right? Yeah. It's a good one. That's a good one. Yeah. As long as one works. All right. Yeah, I'll grab these. All the small crap. Little bits. Maybe we can just alley-oop this one right over. Flip her right over. Oh, 1, 2, 3. Oh, so strong. So strong. Sometimes. So strong. Yeah, not all the time. Well, I did her again. Severely underestimated this job. So that's good. But 11 hours of jackhammering, we got this piece into 3. This is full of wire. That's good. One day, how'd you weed eaters? He's scoping metal. He's fucking scoping. Terrible. Yeah. He's trying to find weed eaters on the ground. Yeah. No drips. Gusting. Oh, it's just in time for lunch, I think. What time is it? Oh, that was close. Maybe this is the concrete he wants got. Oh, yeah, I gotta scrape all this, and he said he's got somewhere to put it, but I don't see where. I don't see where he's putting it. All of this, yeah.
On our property.
Well, yeah.
And I appreciate it if you don't use my property to cross into his yard, because my son is a landscape guy.
Well,
and like he knows all about yards, right? And last time this thing was here, they turned around on our yard and it was all dry. That stays.
yeah.
For days and days and days. Right?
Yeah, I won't drive on your grass.
So, yeah, I'd appreciate that. Thank you very much.
No worries.
Okay. Got a nice day for it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
What's he doing back
there? Scraping the dirt out and putting sand down to put interlocking stones. And all I'm doing is taking the dirt and the concrete. I don't know if he said there was room to put the dirt, but I don't see any room to put no dirt, so.
Well,
I'm not really sure.
Part of that, where it's not cut, is his property.
Right on.
But like where these plants are, that's like the edge of our property.
Oh yeah, I mean,
So
I'll stay on the concrete for the
okay,
most part.
yeah,
I mean, I don't think
I
I'll
really appreciate
have any
that. Thank
reason
you
to go
so
on the
much.
grass. No worries. Have a good day.
You too.
Oh, I'm losing grapes. Oh no. My grapes. Shit. All right, put her down. Fuck, guy.
Holy, what do we got here? 6960 empty. It's good, Jag.
Awesome.
Holy shit. A 980. Boys. That is huge. 13,060.
70? 60?
Ooh, that's kgs too.
That is kgs, yeah. That's when you got out, it dropped like 80. I'm like, holy f, there's no way he's 80 pounds.
Just stop at one of these French fry places and get a fork.
Fuck, that's a good idea.
Holy Schneeko, it sounds like I got any battery, but look at that pile we made. Good Lord. Got all the sand semi leveled out. DCPini. We load them trailer and tractor and we go. Okay, we go. Oh, buddy, push it in. Let's go. My camera's broken like more now. Awesome. Oh, we did it. Oh, we did it. Oh, my back though. Let's try lifting ramp. Back no like that one bit. Oh, ah, holy f. Oh, oh, this is probably not good. Okay. Set her right there. You want to fucking take the whole thing?
Yeah. Yeah, I should be able to. Okay. Fucking back on here. Okay.
You got her?
Yep. Yeah, fucking center bounce. Okay. There we go.
Just like a trapeze.
Oh